不问胜负，只求一战。
缘起于剑，情止于心。
不问胜负，只求一战。
缘起于剑，情止于心。
Hi, today I want to show you how to use LTX Director tool on my 8 GB of VRAM. LTX Director has been around for a while, so that's already version 2. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to the manager and custom nodes, search for what Dream cost. This is the package you need to install. I'm on the version 2.03. After that, if you go to templates, you can search for Director 2. Just open the template. Now, as always, I need the GGUF for my 8 GB of VRAM. So search for GGUF loader. Now connect the model here. I want to use the Distill 1.1. This is my version Q5K. If you have done LTX 2.3, you should have this all set up. Okay, here you can see a timeline. There are plenty of features. Today I'm not going through all the features here. I just want to point out some useful feature for me at least. And there's also the problem. I'm only on 8 GB of VRAM and a lot of things there's no point for me to try. So in general, you can see there's a timeline. You can add image, add text. For example, let me show you here. I can drop an image here and add a text box. I can add the prompt here around the shape, for example. And of course, you can add another image, and you can also do prompt relay and adjust the prompt here. But we are not going to do this. We have seen those first and last frame thing before. You can add many keyframes. Now what I want to show you is the retake feature. That's what I have used in the intro. So let me show you the video. Okay, this is the video you have seen in the intro. There's the guy in white singlet running through the frame. You can see here. And this one was not expected. So basically what retake does is editing image. So if I go to here, you can specify the durations in seconds or in frames and the resolution here. But for the retake, we are not going to change anything. So click on this button, retake mode, and I can drag and drop the video, put it here. I will keep the same length as original. Now I need to specify where I want to edit the video. If I go to here, so you can see it's somewhere here. The guy is running through the frame. Make sure you put the range a little bit more than the range you want to edit. So I put this here from 7.5 to 10.5. And the other thing is I need to put a prompt here. Remove the man in white singlet running through the frame. Okay, let's change the output name. And run it. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the time. So 530 seconds. That's not too bad for a 14 seconds video.
不问胜负，只求一战。
缘起于剑，情止于心。
Okay, that's nice. So now there's no one running across the scene. So this guy go away, but somehow there's one guy standing in the background. That's good. This video was originally created in my 4 keyframes tutorial. The guy running across the scene wasn't in my prompt. So now I fixed the footage by using the retake. This is nice. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how to use the LTX Director to extend the video. As you know, I'm using on 8 GB of VRAM, so I can't extend the video if it's already very long. I want to use this video here. This was generated with the Union Control LoRA. You can check out the video how this was done. So let me show you this first. Okay, it's only 3 seconds long. That's a good video for the demonstration. So let me go back to the workflow. Let me delete this one first. So now I go to the timeline here. Because I'm going to extend the video, now this time I need to specify the length of my video. So I give it 8 seconds. And all other thing I will keep it. I want to put it here. Then I can give a text box here. For this one, I've got a prompt prepared. So basically they are staring at each other and the camera smoothly orbits around them. That doesn't work really well, but anyway, just for demonstration. At the end, I don't have anything here. I want to show you it still can do really well without specifying the prompt. So this is the original video and this is the part should be extended from both sides. And run it. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the time. 449 seconds, not too bad. But that's only 8 seconds of video. Okay, you can see the original video start with the man with the blue jacket holding up the leg here. And at the end, it stops here with someone coming in. The transition to the beginning of the video is bad because there are some frames freezing here. Let me run this again. Yeah, that's bad. But at the end here is quite nice. So you can see the transition. Let me run this for you. Okay. Somehow it doesn't work really well. The transition to the start of the video. What I have found out is you can change something here that can improve a little bit. So click on the video clip here and change it to 0.5. Now run it again. Okay, it's done. Let's check out the time. Okay, it's almost the same. The guidance doesn't change anything in the generation speed. So let's check out the result. Okay. It's not perfect. The guy does really slowly and then start kicking. But there's no frozen frames. That means the guidance can help a little bit. So if you have the same problem, you should try out to change the guidance. Okay, I think that's all about LTX Director 2 for today. Those things like keyframes and first last frame and prompt relay, we have done that already in normal workflows. I found these two features are really useful, so I decided to make the video. If I can find other things, I will make another tutorial again. Anyway, I will play around a little bit more and see how it goes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.